everyone. In this video, I want to discuss about an interesting topic. Have you ever wondered why we are getting the weak signals when we are out of the coverage, or we are getting the weak GPS signals? It is because the signals which we are using, radio waves or mobile frequency waves such as microwaves, they are not in sufficient strength at the place where we are getting low bands on the mobile screen. So wouldn't it be better if we have some kind of a visual instrument that can detect how much the strength of the radio or microwave that we are using for our laptops or our mobile is? Then we could determine the areas where they are high or where they are low. So there has been an approach to this conversion of the radio waves into the visible light, so that we can determine what are the places which consist of higher amounts of these electromagnetic waves which are extensively used in mobiles and computers. So this research is done by a group called Quantum Institute by University of Maryland, Niels Bohr Institute of Copenhagen and Technical University of Denmark. So what is this approach of converting radio waves into the visible light so that we can see how much the strength of an electromagnetic spectrum is? They have an approach like this. They have an antenna, and inside the antenna there are elements which consist of two electrodes, and it consists of a membrane made up of silicon nitride. So whenever our electromagnetic spectrum, that is electromagnetic wave, radio waves, touches this antenna and this membrane, on the other side of the membrane, the visible light is produced in the silicon nitride membrane what they are using inside the antenna. So the amount of the frequency of light or the color of light, in short, like we can say, the color of light depends on the amount or the strength of an incoming the radio waves. So in this way we can visualize the strength of a Wi-Fi signal or a radio signal with this joint quantum institute done by these universities. So you might think, what are the advantages, right? So it would be very better in terms of visual than the logical way. So we are analyzing the universe, we are seeing the universe in terms of microwaves. So we have microwave background which enables us to understand the universe better, or we are using MRI scannings, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scannings, which needs accurate in order to detect any tumor inside the body, which is very helpful for physicians and the medical department. And also during the navigation we can easily see the coverage area or coverage areas without any strength visible indicators. And also in the navigation and also in this astronomy applications. So this research has been also approved for the quantum computing because of this optical method. Because whenever we are using optical method instead of electrical method, which we are conventionally using for radio signals sometimes are to be carried by copper wires, which in turn have resistance and hence causes power loss. But if we are using optical waves, the power loss is very less, at least 1,000 times greater than conventional radio waves. So noise cancellation or noise reduction is very much reduced in this type of techniques. Anyway, we can't come to the conclusion yet that it is the most advanced technology right now, because we are just analyzing, or we are just perspective. Always this universe is really the cosmic ocean of possibilities, and this iridescence what we are observing is just a mere creation of